As most of you in our knitting group know, I have a 3D printer, and I was browsing around on Thingiverse the other day and saw this file for this cute little latch tool opener, and I decided to print it. It's a slick little tool. Apparently it was originally made in metal for the Pacipi 6000 machines. I don't believe that you can get them anymore, but there is a gal out there who designed it, and the answer lady has a video to show you how to make one manually, to cut it out of some template plastic or a credit card. And if you have a 3D printer, go and download the file, which you'll see at the end of this video, and print yourself one. It's a pretty slick tool. Happy knitting!